Hello students. Previously, we have learned about local time. Today, we will learn what is the standard time. Standard time. The standard time is the official local time of a region or country determined by the distance from Greenwich meridian. This is a Greenwich meridian, 0 degree prime meridian or prime meridian passes through Greenwich, London, so it is called Greenwich meridian. Mumbai in Maharashtra is located at a 73 degree east longitude. You can see the location of Mumbai city in Maharashtra in the map of India. This city is located towards the east from prime meridian at a 73 degree east longitude. This is a 70 degree east longitude. And 3 longitudes to the east after 70 degree east longitude, it is a 73 degree east longitude. Mumbai city located at this longitude. Kolkata in West Bengal is located at 88 degree east longitude. Look at this location of Kolkata city. This city is located towards the east from prime meridian at 88 degree east longitude. This is a 90 degree east longitude, and behind 2 longitude from 90 degree longitude, it is a 88 degree longitude. Kolkata city lies on this longitude. Now find the difference between the longitudes of these 2 cities, Mumbai in Maharashtra and Kolkata in West Bengal. Mumbai is located at 73 degree east longitude and Kolkata is located at 88 degree east longitude. 88 degree is more than 73 degree. So we will subtract 73 degree from 88 degree, 15 degree. Thus, the difference between the longitudes of these 2 cities, Mumbai and Kolkata, is 15 degree. Next question. If the local time at Mumbai is 3 p.m., then what would be the local time at Kolkata? Then the local time at Kolkata would be 4 p.m. Next question. If the local time at Mumbai is 3 p.m., then what would be the local time at Kolkata? The local time at Mumbai is 3 p.m. Kolkata is located at 88 degree east longitude. Mumbai is located at 73 degree east longitude. We have found the difference between the longitudes of these 2 cities. It is 15 degree. As we know that every longitude differs 4 minutes local time. If we multiply by 4 minutes the angular distance between the longitudes, we will know the difference in the local time between the longitudes of these 2 cities. Angular distance 15 degree multiplied by 4 minutes is equal to 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. As we know that Kolkata lies to the east of Mumbai, as we move towards the east of any longitude, the local time is increased by 4 minutes for every longitude. Therefore, the local time at Kolkata would be 60 minutes or 1 hour ahead of the local time at Mumbai. Then, the local time at Kolkata would be 4 p.m. You would have realized that both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India but on different longitudes. Their local time differ by an hour. If there are different local times within a country because of longitudinal differences, then there will be a lack of synchronization in the routine activities in the country. If each one follows their local time, discrepancies emerge in carrying out daily business in the country. Therefore, generally the local time at the longitude which generally passes through the middle of the country is deemed to be the standard time for the country. This standard time is used all over the country. And now we will discuss about Indian Standard Time. The Indian Standard Time, that is IST, has been decided according to the 82 degree 30 minute east longitude which passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Look at this longitude. 82 degree 30 minute east longitude passes through Mirzapur. This longitude passes through the middle of country with reference to its longitudinal extent. Look at this longitudinal extent of India from 68 degree 7 minute east longitude to 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. The local time at this longitude has been selected as the standard time of the whole country. When the sun is directly overhead on this longitude, then it is assumed that it is 12 noon everywhere in India. There is no difference of more than 1 hour between the local time at 82 degree 30 minute and other places in the country. And now we will discuss about Universal Standard Time. For an international coordination between countries, the local time at Greenwich, that is a Greenwich Mean Time in England, is considered to be the international standard time. Look at this 0 degree meridian. This meridian is considered as a prime meridian, and the local time at this prime meridian is considered as international standard time. The difference in standard times of various countries is calculated with reference to GMT, that means Greenwich Mean Time. The Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. If it is 5 p.m. at Greenwich, then in India it would be 10:30 p.m. With respect to business at global level, there should be compatibility between the standard times of various countries. To facilitate this, the world has been divided into 24 time zones. These time zones have been created with reference to the prime meridian itself. See here, these are time zones. Every time zone differs by 15 degree or 1 hour. As you move west from Greenwich Meridian, every 15 degrees section, these are 15 degrees section or time zone, is an hour earlier than GMT, while each time zone to the east is 1 hour later.